He wanted to come to see you than guns that don't get a Marcus at the Lakers. Didn't I? Living. You might put that charge the money came out too much. September, and it's a negative. Young not to say, draft.
Litani, Niggy Gucci, and Kuyu Son Kev that Chizola Shepshu, Mandan Kendi, Yanachung in Zochine, Tasha Lu Juni Shurukore. Come on, Yon and you the Lojo Yoyagi, and then some name a man same, Yakio da Tume Naruna Shuai.
Rumbuchi tu shevel ani gejulong lapjati ani lomachigin ani dajida ani rumbuchi ge ani sing kola ani chali mabuch na yori ine an yana shungi dadi lapjat mebas so deshu la ani lama ya sumni danda lo ani jungyu korso de lama danda zujini dang jo shirare nga goso ani jene nga lama chanjeng gi chopshin ani da jajimang la nga zola ani njobolo do yeche de ne roba Javra na shei.
Mai get to Dombashi said, Lama Jana, she was seen the Lotuni Drossum. The number to Tame, say Lama Malodo, which the Tame Jojonarona.
Nintsai lama janagi juzon chen tanda pat lochuni kondo re tin sonza ane nyut letung wa che de chame jocho de roran ya punar na
Please help me to release my teacher. He's arrested by Chinese government since 2002. 12 years now. Please help me to release my teacher.
This April 7 marks 12 years of Tugutenzin Dele Rinpoche in Chinese prison. Rinpoche is a respected Buddhist teacher and community leader. All this year, he has been saying that he is innocent and nothing to do with the crime he has been charged. For an innocent man to spend 12 years of his life in prison is unacceptable and injustice. And recently we came to know that his health condition is really critical now. But on the other hand, Cho Yong-kong, then the party secretary of Sichuan province, who was responsible for Rinpoche's arrest, is now under Chinese government corruption investigation. This proved that Cho Yong-kong is a real criminal